In the previous videos, we've taught you how to properly connect your tablet and the jock. In this section, we will teach you how to do the correct calibration template. Calibration templates are important for new or display different plates. Let's start the demo. Find the working directory according to your installation address. Find and open the folder named in OpenEVision.exe. Depending on your tablet, choose the appropriate connection mode without changing the configuration. After entering, click to initialize. The SN number will be displayed here after success. And the lower left will remind you that the initialization is successful. Then select the aid mode and select the software or freerun mode without aid. Wait a few seconds and the aid mode switches successfully. Then select the calibration file here and create a calibration template. Click Start. Step 1. Collect 5 dark images. Click Start. Wait for a while and automatically collect 5 images. The number changes here, indicating that the image is being collected. And there is a prompt message here indicating the current step and whether the process is successful. Here it shows that the dark images acquisition is completed. The second step is pre-exposure. Click Start. Note: exposure can only be started after the exposure is indicated. After the exposure is completed, the value is displayed. The value here is low, and the exposure data is adjusted to perform the second step until the value is displayed about 30,000. By adjusting the exposure dose, the value is obtained. The obtained value is too low, so the exposure dose needs to be adjusted higher. Exposure must be done after being prompted. The value meets the requirements. Next, the third step is to collect 5 bright field images. Click Start. Prompt the start of bright acquisition, otherwise the requirements cannot be met. And it is normal to prompt that the image is not suitable. 5 images were collected. There will be a digital prompt here. The image is not suitable. Continue to follow the prompts for exposure. After the collection is completed, the collection is prompted. Then click Create Correction Template, and it is successful. Correction templates are incorrect files stored in the folder named SN number. Check the SN number of the tablet and open the corresponding folder to store the correction template. Open the software, click the correction operation. Click here to find the folder and select the correction files. And load the gain, defect, offset correction templates in turn. Check the options according to the demonstration in the video. And click OK to be prompted to load successfully. Close the window. And place the item for the exposure experiment. After the items are placed, it is recommended to select Aid mode and expose according to the prompts. Now get a good image. The JOC software needs to copy the correction file to the JOC reference folder. Where the location of the correction file needs to be copied depends on the software you are using. You can ask the software provider or us.